Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue on Steam, that Steam is having trouble connecting to the Steam servers, and you've tried retrying the connection and it's still not connecting. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I have a link in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy it. So this is going to be a Steam, unofficial Steam status checker here. And it'll give you a rundown if there's various issues around the world here. And this is a pretty good indicator. If there's a problem worldwide, it's probably going to detect it in here. So definitely I'd recommend trying this web page first and see if it's able to give you some insightful information. So go ahead and close out of here. So if it's an issue with the Steam servers themselves, anything we're going to show in this video is not going to resolve it for you. So except just waiting. So you're probably going to have to just wait maybe a half hour or an hour or so. And then usually the problem will more likely than not be resolved. You may also want to check back on that website again a little bit later. You might have just stumbled onto this issue and it might take a couple minutes for that website to update. So something else we can try here too, if we open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. It should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. Go ahead and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer at this time. And then hopefully your issue should have been resolved if it was in fact on your end. But like I said, more likely than not, there's probably an issue with Steam itself, and you just have to check back a little bit later. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.